In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Hohem MIC-01. This is a wireless microphone system that is primarily designed with phone users in mind. So, an interesting feature you might notice being listed is recording storage. This means you can insert a memory card into each included transmitter so that recordings are always being backed up. Now, this is incredibly helpful in cases of wireless dropouts, and it's a feature that is lacking on most comparable mics like the Hohem MIC-01. So one thing to note is that depending on which model you buy, your receiver will either come with a USB-C output or a lightning connector. Something that's pretty neat about the included transmitters is that besides the normal back clips, you also get these magnetic clips, and this gives you a much cleaner way of securing it to clothing. So for example, if you've got a shirt, you can put the clip on the inside underneath the shirt, and then from the outside you just snap on the microphone. Using the MIC-01 with your phone is very simple. You start off by taking the receiver and plugging it directly into your phone. The lights on the indicator will start to blink, indicating it's ready for pairing. Now you just need to turn one or both transmitters on and they'll automatically pair with the receiver. You can easily tell when pairing has been successful because the lights will stop blinking and instead glow steadily. So now I can test the Hohem MIC-01. One of the features that really stood out to me is the remote shutter button, and this is something that you don't often find on other comparable microphone systems. This allows you to take a photo or start recording by pressing a button on the transmitter. I tested it on a Google Pixel 6 and an iPhone 15 Pro, and it worked well in both cases. The MIC-01 also has noise cancelling modes to filter out unwanted noise. You can cycle through the 3 different levels of noise cancellation by tapping the mode button. The color of the status lights on both the receiver and the transmitters will change to reflect the noise cancellation level. The mic also has a reverb mode which adds an echo-like effect to your voice. You can activate it by double tapping the same mode button as before. As you can see, the status lights will now begin to blink purple on top of their original color. Now you can always add this kind of effect in post, but if you wanted to have this effect over the phone or when you're live streaming, for example, this is a much easier way to achieve it. So that was just a quick look at the main features of the Hohem MIC-01. And what I wanted to do next is to compare the audio recording output from the Hohem MIC-01 with outputs from 2 other wireless microphones I own, which are the Godox WEC and the DJI Mic 2. Early morning light crept over the hills, casting a golden glow on the sleepy town. Birds chirped softly, greeting the day with song. In the gardens, dewdrops sparkled on petals and leaves, and the air was fresh with the promise of a new beginning. Early morning light crept over the hills, casting a golden glow on the sleepy town. Birds chirped softly, greeting the day with song. In the gardens, dewdrops sparkled on petals and leaves, and the air was fresh with the promise of a new beginning. Early morning light crept over the hills, casting a golden glow on the sleepy town. Birds chirped softly, greeting the day with song. In the gardens, dewdrops sparkled on petals and leaves, and the air was fresh with the promise of a new beginning.